Sorry guys, we got interrupted. So as you can see, it deployed successfully online and everything. There's the model ID and everything else. Now we're going to make a prediction on the notebook. Going to go here. And then we're going to go to Python. You're going to copy this. I already did it before, so don't worry about that. Now let's go to this notebook right here. We're going to go to insurance. Okay. Yep. And we're going to make our first prediction. Now, there is one more thing you can do while that is loading. You can also do post requests. You know, with the input data and all that. Sorry guys, it's taking a while to load. Should be loading any second. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's unlock it. Remember, it always does that. Unlock, and then edit. Okay guys, and I'll see you next video when this is done loading, and we're going to make our first